Driving yourself batty over what to send in for your little one's Halloween party? I've got 5 Pinterest perfect but so easy treats, all nut free, for you to send into your little one's school. Coming right up. Hey, it's Brianna. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you click that red subscribe button if you are new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 Pinterest perfect Halloween treat ideas. These are so simple and so easy, so whether you consider yourself to be a Pinterest mom or a Starbucks mom, I know there's those 2 different camps that happen at school parties. These fall into both of those categories and will just make your life so much easier. And I would like to thank Care.com for sponsoring today's video, because Care.com has made my life so much easier. So I've recently used Care.com to find a housekeeper for some help when just life has gotten crazy. If you've been following for a little bit, you know, between my dad's health, he's on hospice, and Landon starting school, and just some different business opportunities that I've taken on, stuff has gotten busy. So just when I need that additional help and care, I've used Care.com to find it. You can find babysitters, you can find elderly care, you can find errand runners, you can find pet care, or you can find housekeepers like I did. And it's super, super simple. If you log onto your website, you can check it out and just put a profile up, put in your zip code, and you can see all of the caregivers for whatever sort of needs you have that are located in your area, in your neighborhood. And if you upgrade to that premium membership, it makes it super simple, because then you can book your care and pay for your care all in one place on the site, which I personally love. So if you would like to try out Care.com, I will have a link down in my description box, or you can visit care.com/BriannaK, and you will get 30% off of a premium membership, which is what I have when you sign up using that link. But okay, I'm gonna walk you through how I made these, again, super simple, Pinterest perfect Halloween snacks. I decided to go 2 healthier options, so I'm gonna show you how to make ghost cheese sticks. I will also show you how to make mummy guts, is what I'm calling these, but it's basically a mummified apple pouch. And then drink-wise, I have these adorable jack-o'-lantern pumpkin juice boxes. And then when it comes to the sweets, because let's face it, that's what we really like about Halloween, I'm gonna show you how to make these adorable spider Tootsie Pops and these super cute and super simple bat pudding cups. All right, so first for these ghost cheese sticks, it could not get any simpler than this. You could do this in under 60 seconds flat. You definitely need some kind of a permanent marker though, preferably one that's more of a paint permanent marker, just because it makes it easier then to write on the plastic wrapper. But you just need to do 2 dots for the eyes and a circle for the mouth, and voila, you have the cutest little ghost cheese sticks. Next, we're going to be making what I call mummy guts, but you're basically just taking a fruit pouch and wrapping it in bandage wrap. I would find the ones that are 4.5 inches tall, because they just fit perfectly around the length of a fruit pouch. And I got some white tape. You could definitely use clear tape as well. And then some of these funny googly eyes, and you can truly use any size that you like. And then you'll just need some scissors and glue. So I'm just going to take my bandage wrap and make sure I have enough to wrap around my pouch. Once that's cut, I just wrap the bandage around it, get some tape, and just put that tape right on there to hold the one side of the bandage. Then put some glue on your googly eyes. Stick those on, and bam, you've got a little pack of mummy guts. Okay, for these pumpkin juice boxes, all you need is some orange tape and a juice box, and I would just remove the straw, because you can use another little piece of tape just to retape this on the back once you're actually done. But you just use that orange tape and keep wrapping it around until your juice box is completely covered. All right, and once your juice box is all covered in that tape, use that same black permanent marker and draw your pumpkin face on. And take one tiny piece of tape and just reattach then your straw onto the back of the juice box. And there you go. You've got pumpkin juice boxes. So easy and so cute. Okay, so next for these adorable spider suckers, you will need a bag of lollipops, and then you will need 2 black pipe cleaners per sucker, and again, a small bag of those little googly eyes. So first thing you do with your pipe cleaners, fold them in half, take your scissors and just cut them, so then you will have 4 pipe cleaners. You will twist those around the sucker to make the spider legs, and by twisting them around, you also sort of then create the spider's top part of the body, because it's kind of supposed to be like the back side of the spider. But you can then have something to adhere those googly eyes to with your glue. Okay, once those are all twisted around, you just need to get 2 of those eyes, put some glue onto the back of them. We'll do this one at a time, that's easier. But just adhere one of those eyes onto the spider. Put the other eye onto your spider, and again, this is not difficult at all, but super fun, especially if your kids are a little bit older and can maybe help you with this, or if you have a helpful husband. It would be fun to do together at night over drinks or something like that too. But truly, these do not take very long for how freaking cute that they turn out looking. And I saved my favorite for last, but these adorable little pudding bats with the googly eyes. You just need a pack of chocolate pudding and some sparkly glitter foam paper. You want these to be a little bit thicker, and those googly eyes, and scissors and glue then to put this together. You need 1 piece of foam paper for every 4 bats that you have to make. And I made the bat wings by just folding the paper in half, and I kind of made a little template out of the first piece of foam, and then just use this to cut them so that they stay symmetrical. So then you just want to cut on the center fold there, and you have your nice symmetrical bat wings then. And then on my pudding cup, you just want to turn the wings sparkle side down when you go to glue these, because then that way when you put the eyes on the front, you see the sparkly wings. But I'll just take my glue, put this on the back of my pudding cup, and attach my wings back there. And then flip this over. Put the glue on the back of those eyes. And there you go. You've got these really cute, really sweet bat pudding cups. And one other hack when it comes to these, just in case your adhesive isn't super strong or doesn't dry super quickly, the foam wings are pretty heavy, so they might start pulling apart. You can just use a piece of tape then to sort of hold them together. And I would recommend, like, as you let your bats dry, lay them on their back so that the wings can dry really, really nicely before you end up picking them up. Because once the glue is dry, the wings then do stay on really, really nicely. So as you can see, all of these treats are super easy and super simple to put together, and they're pretty Pinterest perfect. So you can, without hesitation, send these into your little one's classroom or have them at your Halloween party at your house and make people think, trick them into thinking you've been working on these treats when in reality, they don't take much time at all. And if your kiddo's classroom or anything like my son's, I just received an email from his teacher actually saying that everything has to be either store-bought, so pre-packaged, and no nuts. So all of these fit that bill in case you have those same requirements at your little one's school. But if you like this video, click that thumbs up so that I know. Let me know in the comments if there are any other videos or topics you would like to see me cover on my channel next. And thank you so much to care.com for sponsoring today's video. I'll have their link in the description box below as well. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye loves, happy Halloween.